Hello and welcome. Our ground is ready. We are just waiting for players to start this game. Our players are actually Elasticsearch, Fluentd and Kibana. So let's play this game. We are going to start installation. We are going to set up this installation using only 2 steps. Step number 1, clone GitLab repository. In my GitLab repository, I have added all the necessary files. So let's do this. You have to perform all these tasks into your manager node. So here I am on my manager node and I am going to clone this. Now, once you clone this, here you can verify this. Give ls command, you will find directory named docker logging. Yes, I clone this. Now let's give ls command. Yes, docker logging is there. Now, go inside this directory. So let's go to cd docker logging. Okay, right now I am in the docker logging. Inside docker logging, you will find 2 files. Docker compose, which is used to set up environment, and then fluentd. So fluentd.conf. So let's find out. We have this file. So clone is actually successful. Now, step 2. Deploy EFK Stack using Docker Compose. As you know that, when you are using Docker Compose, the systems are really becomes very easy. So here we are going to use this, right? We are already aware about Docker Compose. So you must be inside home Ubuntu Docker login. Use command pwd to verify. Let's use pwd. Yes, I am inside this. Everything looks good. Now here we just need to run Docker Compose. So I'm going to run this. And it is going to start all the containers in detach mode. So now it is actually creating this. Now once the Docker Compose will complete this process, it is going to create 3 containers. 1 container for each. 1 for Elasticsearch, 1 for Fluentd and 1 for Kibana. So it is just a 3 container created by this. Now once the process will over, we can verify these 3 containers. These 3 containers must be in running state. Now here it will take some time. So when all system will be completed, I will come back. Okay, it took almost 2 to 3 minutes to complete this task, and look at this, all 3 containers name and all these 3 containers are started also. If you want to verify this, you can also give this command docker compose ps to verify. Let me use clear command and let's paste this, and here you will find out that see, service, Elasticsearch, Fluentd and Kibana, all these 3 running in a running condition. Please check it out once you complete this process, because all 3 containers must be in running condition. If there will be issue, 1 container or maybe 2 container will not be available, and then it will create trouble for you. But no need to worry. If you have any trouble, I am always available for you. Okay. Now it is done. Now let's go with the next step. This setup is done. It is really very easy, right? So, testing the EFK setup using simple Docker container. So what we are doing first, we have to collect logs. So we have to have container. So start the test container to generate logs. So first of all, we are going to start new container. Now keep this in mind. Even if you are creating container or service, if you want to collect log from them, here you have to use this. See, docker run d name nginx container. This is like a very normal command. The container will run on a port number 80, but look at this. Dash log drivers equal to fluentd, log output, fluentd address, which is running on localhost. And this is a port that we already discussed, 24224 port used by Fluentd. So it is going to use. So now what happens when this container will be ready, whatever the logs it is going to generate, it will then send it to the Fluentd. Fluentd will send it to the search, Elasticsearch, and then we can find out this using a Kibana. So let's create this container. You have to create this container on manager nodes. Okay. Now it is downloading nginx image and it will create container. Now keep this in mind. This container is actually using port number 80. Look at this. And once you generate the logs, right, then it is going to forward and then everything will work. So you have to access this service. Okay. Without this, it is not going to work. So here container is ready. It is in a detached mode, so we don't need to worry about this. Let's access this container. Now, how you can access this? You have to select your manager node, copy manager node IP, because it is actually running on port number 80, so we don't need to worry about this, right? Now here, keep this in mind that it will add HTTPS automatically, so you have to make it HTTP, and now I am able to open this Nginx page. Now, if you are not able to open this, make sure that in a manager security group, okay, you have HTTP port allowed. If it is not there, you may not able to. Now see, whenever you access your Nginx container, it will generate logs automatically, and now it is actually forwarding this log to the Fluentd because of this particular drivers that we are using, right? So now I want to see these logs. How? And I want to see this log on a graphical user interface on Kibana, not here, because if I want to see this here, I can directly go with the Docker logs and I can find it out, right? No need to worry. We have to go through this whole process. Now let's go step by step. Generate logs by accessing test container. We already generated this. Now verify logs in Kibana, right? So access Kibana. How we can access this? Manager node IP, and then 5601 is a port number that we need to use. So here is IP of my manager node, and I'm going to use this. And here I'm going to use 5601, right? Now let's press enter, and it will open Kibana user interface. Okay. Here actually you are seeing your Elasticsearch logs, right? But you have a way to open this using graphical user interface. Now here I provided you all this step-by-step detail. Okay, you have to go to the index pattern. First of all, when you open this, you will get this screen, explore at my own. Okay, I'm going to provide you direct detail, but this is the whole process that I already provided you. Why? Because if you just want to watch, if you don't want to watch video, you just want to go through the mind map, you can perform this lab, but I am going directly, right? So you have to click on explore on my own. Then you have to click on this burger menu. Then you can go to management. Here it is a stack management. Once you go to the stack management, you will get Kibana here. Here you will get index pattern. Now once you click on index pattern, you will get this. You have data in Elasticsearch, because we already tested this. We created container and we run this container. So it is already populating the data. So here we get this create index pattern. Now here it is a all step-by-step process. Create new index pattern. Then you are going to get this. Okay. Now here, because we are using Docker environment, so we have to add this name. Docker log star means we want to verify through the Kibana all the Docker logs. Okay. Docker dash logs dash star. If everything is good, you will get it over here. In the timestamp, we have to add this at timestamp, and we have to click on create index pattern. So now our Kibana system is ready to display Docker logs from our Elasticsearch. Now, how you can verify this?
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video, or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Power Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.